Once upon a time, in the heart of the Enchanted Forest, there lived a kind and gentle princess named Snow White. With her hair as black as ebony and skin as white as snow, Snow White's beauty was matched only by the pure kindness that bloomed from her heart. She lived in a cozy cottage with 7 lovable dwarfs who adored her. On a sparkling winter's day, as Snow White was gathering winter berries for a feast, she noticed something magical shimmering in the nearby glen. To her astonishment, it was none other than Tinkerbell, the twinkling fairy from Neverland. Tinkerbell's wings sparkled like diamonds in the light, casting a dreamy glow everywhere she fluttered. "Oh, Snow White, I need your help," Tinkerbell exclaimed in her tinkling voice. "The guardians of Neverland's secret flower garden have been trapped by a mischievous shadow creature, and I cannot free them alone. This creature has locked the garden with a spell that can only be broken by a heart as pure as yours." Snow White smiled gently, her heart filled with warmth for the little fairy. "Of course, Tinkerbell. Let's work together to rescue the guardians," she replied, her voice as soothing as the softest lullaby. Together, they ventured deeper into the forest, where the snowflakes danced around them like tiny fairies themselves. The path was gilded with a soft carpet of snow, and merrily, the 2 companions laughed, creating wonderful shapes in the snow with their footsteps. They soon arrived at a hidden grove, where the secret garden lay covered in thick vines and guarded by the shadow creature, whose dark form seemed to pulse with menace. Undaunted, Snow White stood tall and approached the garden gate. "Your darkness cannot scare me, for I carry light within my heart," Snow White declared bravely. Tinkerbell hovered close, her magical glow lending courage to the princess. With a gentle touch and a heart full of love, Snow White reached towards the gate. Her kindness enveloped the garden in a shimmering light. Slowly, the shadow began to dissolve into twinkling motes, vanishing into the gentle snowflakes. "Thank you, Snow White," said a chorus of voices from the flowers. The guardians of the garden bloomed once more, vibrant and alive, their petals sparkling with a rainbow of colors. "Oh, thank you," Tinkerbell cheered, sprinkled with joy. The garden was free, bursting with life and magic once again. With hearts aglow and smiles bright, Snow White and Tinkerbell returned to the cottage. There they found the dwarfs waiting, ready to celebrate with steaming cups of cocoa and songs of merriment. That night, as the stars glittered above and the forest whispered gentle dreams, Snow White thanked Tinkerbell for sharing her magical world in a rescue that showed the power of kindness and friendship. And they knew, wherever there was light and love, the shadow creature would never return. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.